Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to learn about how to manage discounts in sales application in sales order. So this is the basic standard functionality provided in Odoo. So to activate discounts we need to go to sales application, configuration, settings, and here in the pricing section we need to activate this discounts and save settings. Then we can go to sales, and if we open here this draft records, then we can see here this discount button, and here also this discount. So we can manage discounts in three different ways. We can give a particular percentage wise discount on all order lines. Let's say if I provide 10% on order line, so you can see this is 10%. And let's say if I remove this, and this is another one global percentage. If I want to give 10 percentage globally, so it will add this line here, right, as a 10%. If I remove this, and let's say if I want to give fixed discount, let's say if I want to give 150, and if I give, then you can see this is added here 150. So in this way we can manage discounts in Odoo. So this is how it will useful in the sales application, right? I hope this video will helpful to you.